Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio A164W. So what you want to do is to make sure that you are in your home screen where you have the time and date displayed. In case you are not, we are going to press the mode button. We have the alarm, the stopwatch, and the setting of time and date. And if I press the mode button once again, I'm going to arrive in my home screen. And here, if I press the button on the right, you are going to see that we are going to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. So here we have the start stop button and also 12/24-hour display. In case you prefer the 12-hour display, we are going to press it again and it is going to switch back to 4 p.m. So guys, this was the quick tutorial on how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display on this particular model. In case you want to watch the full guide on how to set the time and date, how to set the alarm, how to activate and deactivate both the hourly beep and the alarm, and also how to use the stopwatch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide of this particular model, as well as a full guide on how to adjust the bracelet, how to also replace the watch battery. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.